Hello everyone. Today I'll be talking about prime and composite numbers. When we think about any whole number, two words come to mind. Whether this number is a prime number or is it a composite. Let's look at the board here. I've written numbers from 1 to 20. When we learn in junior high or in primary school, we know that all numbers has a factor 1. Whether be it negative number or a positive whole number. So firstly, we cancel out number 1. So number 1 is neither composite nor it is prime. Question, what if the number 1 is a prime number? If number 1 is a prime number, then all whole numbers will be prime numbers, which is basically not true. So what is the definition of prime numbers? Basically, prime numbers have only two factors. Two factors, basically the number itself and 1. Let's look at number 2. If I circle number 2, how many factors does number 2 has? 1, 2. Indeed, you're right. Number 2 have only two factors, 1 and 2. So 2 is a prime number. So what we can do now, we can actually cancel out all the multiples of 2 from 1 to 20. So in this case, we cancel out 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 14, 16, 18, and 20. Why I cancel out all these numbers is because all these numbers have more than two factors. Take a look at number 4. How many factors does 4 have? 1, 2, and 4. So 4 has 3 factors, which is basically not a prime number. Look at 20. How many factors does 20 has? 1, 2, 4, 5, and 10. So number 20 has 5 factors. So 20 is not a prime number. Let's look at number 3. Is 3 a prime number? Yes, it is. Why? Because if you look at 3, how many factors does number 3 has? 1 and 3. So number 3 has only 2 factors. So we can conclude that number 3 is also a prime number. So what we can do now is basically we can cancel out all the multiples of 3 from 1 to 20, which is 3, 6, which has already been cancelled, 9, 12, which have been cancelled, 15, 18, alright? So if you look at the remaining numbers such as 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19, take a few seconds. All these numbers, how many factors do they have? You can see that 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19, each of these circled numbers have only 2 factors. So if you look at number 1 to 20, 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, and 19 are prime numbers, where all the numbers which have been crossed out are all composite numbers. So we define composite numbers as numbers which have more than 2 factors. Happy learning.